Chaos outside the courts as a crush of media and supporters greet the Prime Minister, who in what appeared to be an attempt to portray himself as a man of the people, put aside security protocols and drove himself and his lawyer to the contempt hearing. Once inside, Gilani delivered an opening statement to the 7 judges, in which he defended President Zardari, saying, quote, "It is my conviction that he has complete immunity inside and outside the country," adding, "In the Constitution, there is complete immunity for the President. There is no doubt about that." But that stance did not appear to satisfy the judges, who suggested the President may not have the constitutional protection from criminal proceedings.
I promise to satisfy the courts on the issue of Article 248 of the Constitution and will convince them that the President has immunity.
While the immediate battle is about the Prime Minister, the larger political crisis is about the President. 20 years ago, while his late wife, the former PM Benazir Bhutto, was in power, Zardari had multiple cases of corruption and even murder lodged against him, all of which he says are false and politically motivated. Still, he spent 11 years in Pakistani jails facing criminal charges, none of which ever led to a formal conviction. An amnesty deal that protected him from prosecution was overturned in 2009, and the court has been pushing for the government to reopen and investigate the corruption cases against Zardari ever since.
This corrupt group of politicians has given democracy a bad name. The people elected them, but it is evident they do not care about the country and have looted it for the last 3.5 years.
If Gilani is charged with contempt of court, he could face up to 6 months in prison and/or be disqualified from office. The court has been adjourned until the 1st of February.
Well, every moment of the Prime Minister's appearance in the Supreme Court is no doubt under an intense amount of scrutiny from the media. Still, today's proceedings, Thursday's proceedings, really is the first step in what is no doubt going to be a very difficult journey for the Prime Minister and his increasingly embattled government. Imtiaz Taib, Al Jazeera, Islamabad.